Hey everyone and welcome back to Neil Experience. Today we have this very tricky math question. You have only 10 seconds to solve this. Your time start now. See, okay, time's up. Now we will solve. Our question is 120 divided by 4 and this is 3 square minus 5. So this is the value and we will follow your order of operation. Okay, simply we will follow this. So according to that, we have to first solve for this parenthesis part, which is minus 3 square. And minus 3 square is nothing but minus 3 times minus 3. Okay, and minus 3 times minus 3 is 9 here. Negative and negative will give positive result when we multiply each other. Okay, so we will write 120 divided by 4 next here 9 minus 5. Now we will solve for this part. 120 divided by 4, 9 minus 5 will give result 4 here. So we can simply write 4. Now, if you solve like 4 times 4, that is equal to 16 divided by 120 can be written as 120 by 16, 4 times 16, 32, 15, or you can say 7.5. Then this is the wrong answer. Then what is the right way? I will show you. Let's erase this wrong way. Okay. See here we have that is 12 divided by 4 times 4. And as we know, that is multiplication is the same priority. And we do left to right here operations. So first we will do this division operation. Okay. That is 120 divided by 4 will give result 30 here. So we will simply write 30 times 4. And 30 times 4 will give result 120 or 120. So this is the right answer. And here is the bonus problem. We will solve again. 1 plus 1 plus 1 times 0 minus 1 square plus 3. So we will solve with different color. Let's choose yellow. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to go for this exponent. So we will write 1 plus 1 plus 1 times 0. That is 1 square, which will give result 1. So we will write minus 1 plus 3. Now next preference will give into multiplication. So we will multiply this part, which will 1 times 0 will give result 0 here. So we will write 1 plus 1 plus 0 minus 1 plus 3. And here plus 0 something like we have all this value and that is addition and subtraction. So we will do left to right here. So better follow to order of operation. That is 1 plus 1, which is 2 plus 0 minus 1 plus 3. Again 2 plus 0 will be 2 minus 1 plus 3. 2 minus 1 will give result 1 here. So we'll write 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 3 will be ultimately answer 4 here. So right answer is 4 here. And watch this all videos and subscribe us for more videos like this.